Bobby Tella, home tech expert, here asking for forgiveness. Why? Because I'm going to do something that's absolute heresy. I'm installing a surround sound system with no center channel speaker. Don't strike me down, don't strike me down. A surround sound system, 4.1, 2 fronts, 2 rears, a subwoofer with no center channel speaker using Sonos amps and DaVinci Audio, designer, trimless grill, built-in architectural speaker. Stay tuned and find out how this is gonna go. All right, let's get to work. So inside of the family room, this wall is completely reconfigured. The fireplace used to be on the left, and then they used to have this built-in niche for a CRT tube TV on the right side. Now it is looking much, much better. Here, I want you to notice something. Do you notice that the in-ceiling speakers are actually rectangle in-wall speakers? The previous audio video company did so many mistakes, so many issues that I just see this too often from other companies. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be correcting and not only changing the look of the front for the sound system, but also correcting the rear speakers and installing these in-ceiling round speakers over in the rear and doing this rectangle in-wall speakers over in the front. Now I want you to notice that the in-wall speakers, they are beautifully done by the DaVinci Audio group. They have Kevlar woofers with pivoting titanium tweeters. And then the rear speakers, again, they're round, and the woofer, I want you to notice it's on an angle. And the pivoting tweeter can also be moved. So now the speaker, the woofer, and the tweeter are actually pointed towards the couch. All right, I don't know about you, but I'm getting pretty excited because you can start to see it coming together. Look how great this is looking, right? I did the drywall repair work, the sanding, and the texturing, and switched it from rectangle in-wall speakers that should have never been there to in-ceiling angled speakers that are gonna be pointed towards the couch, and it is gonna sound much, much better for the surround sound system. All right, so it's now time to get the TV mounted. And of course, I use only the best, the Sanus Pro line of TV mounts. These things are absolutely beefy and they're buttery smooth when you pull them in and out. And of course, it's time to connect the Sonos amplifiers that are gonna be powering the speakers inside of this room. Now for the HDMI cable for the HDMI eARC audio return channel, I went with Vanco fiber HDMI cables because of the length of the distance from the 4K TV over to the Sonos amplifiers. And of course, I use an Apple TV 4K connected to this LG OLED TV for the best streaming experience on their YouTube TV and watching that NFL football. Inside here, you could see the Sonos amplifiers. I actually needed 2 of them because the third one is for another zone, another room inside the house with some other speakers. All right, so let's take a look at the TV. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? You want that TV close to the wall. Absolutely love it. Who wants to see, all the wiring behind the TV? And taking another look at the in-wall front speakers with the designer trimless grills from the DaVinci Audio group, they just hide away and blend in beautifully with the decor. Man, and on the rear speakers, look at my drywall repair work. Look at my touch-up painting. You know, after 32 years of installing audio video systems in my career and doing drywall repair work, you know, that's the difference when you have home tech expert come out to your home and do everything from start to finish. All right, now it's time to see what the system sounds like. Top Gun Maverick.
What do we have here? Here I thought we were special.
Fellas, this here's Bagman.
Hangman.
Whatever.
What the hell kind of mission this is?
Everyone here is the best there is. Who the hell are they gonna get to teach us?
Captain Pete Maverick Mitchell. Let me be perfectly blunt. You are not my first choice.
Wow, that sounded absolutely amazing. Much better than one would expect. You know, you have those in-wall speakers with the pivoting tweeters going angled inside to give you the impression that you have that center speaker. Now, I'm not going to say that it sounds better than a 5.1 system, but you have to balance the aesthetic look. This particular family did not want to have the look and also did not want to have the TV up higher than necessary. And so if you want to get something custom to your particular needs for your family, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on schedule a free estimate. Thanks for watching.